Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify UX research planning with Hotjar detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your Hotjar account. Navigate to the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Identify the project for which you want to verify UX research planning. Click on the Heat Maps tab to check user interaction on your site. Select the specific page URL you want to analyze. Adjust the settings to capture the desired data. Launch the heat map to visualize user clicks, taps, and scroll behavior. Review the heat map results to understand user engagement patterns. Next, switch to the Recordings feature to observe user sessions. Filter recordings based on specific pages or behaviors for detailed insights. Begin playback on selected session recordings and take notes on user interactions. Look for any obstacles users face during their journey on your site. Evaluate patterns that emerge across multiple session recordings. Once you have gathered sufficient data, summarize your findings. Proceed to the Surveys section to gather direct user feedback. Create a survey that targets specific areas of your research. Deploy the survey on your site and monitor responses. Analyze the survey results to supplement your qualitative data. Combine findings from heat maps, recordings, and surveys. Document your insights and prepare actionable recommendations. Share these findings with your team for alignment on next steps. Finally, review your research planning in light of the data collected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.